Delmer presents the new WALLY milking machine for automatic milking of up to 15 cows buffaloes. Well equipped for milk production with top quality spare parts. Delmer rubber liners used for optimum milking. Lightweight milking cluster of 2050 grams. A branded bucket set of SS304 food grade materials and monoblock dry and oil pump option. The major advantages are it is easy to handle, imported quality at an affordable price, minimum maintenance required, quality assurance of Delmer. WALLY makes the milking process very easy and increases milk yield by up to 5%. Untouched milk and udders improves milk quality and animal health. For modern dairy farming, it is ideal for small and medium-sized farms. WALLY keeps the health of your farm animals in good shape.